What's going on, my iBuild family? Wanted to show you some more interior paint that I'm doing on this house. I posted a video about it yesterday where I painted a room. I've been working on painting the ceilings today, and basically ran into a little snafu, a little issue that if I really would have buckled down and actually sprayed this house, probably would not have this issue. But I really did not want to do all the prep work. Plus it just creates a mess. It's a lot of trash. So I decided to roll and brush everything in this house. And, but wanted to kind of show you the problems, and hopefully it'll show up on video. But you can kind of see right here, there's what I call daylights. Oh, and don't worry about those white spots. I fixed some, nail pops that need to be textured. I really needed to get some paint on the ceiling today. But, oh yeah, you can really see it over here. Basically what it is it's just streaking. Yeah, right past the light here. You can see there's some right there. And what it is I'm painting over flat paint. And so what happens when you do that is the sheen in the new paint, which is an eggshell, if you get the paint too thin when you roll, then the sheen doesn't show up like it's supposed to because the paint soaks into the flat. So what's basically happening now is I'm gonna have to roll all of the ceilings and even some of the walls. Most of the walls are in good shape though. I did a pretty good job with those. But so essentially, just wanted to show you guys that, even us professionals, we do run into some issues sometimes where, we got to double up and all that. Some painters will leave the job like this and say, hey, we're done. Obviously that's not the way I do business. So, but once again, it kind of just falls on the fact that I decided to roll everything instead of spraying everything. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you later.